Hey, what's going on guys? Today we have an unboxing video of a RGB LED light strip. I bought it from Amazon for only 365 rupees, and if you are interested in buying this RGB light, then I'll put the purchase link in my description, so go check out. You can use to light your gaming setup and any other TV or monitor. So this light strip are fully customizable by the 3 button on the strip. You can control pretty much the brightness of the light and sense the color throughout the button. And one thing what I don't like about this RGB light strip is that the USB wires are very short, not that long. Didn't reach my CPU USB port, so it's very short. So keep in mind that. Okay, now I'm going to quickly attach it on the back of my monitor. So enough talking, watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's not a game, it's a